Assalamualaikum and a very good morning. I, as a representative to Hybatat 28 Construction Sdn Bhd, my name is Muhammad Ilhan Haris bin Haide, which is an Assistant Managing Director. Today, we are going to propose a project which is cadangan membina dan menyiapkan Kompleks Islam di Taman Suria, Johor Bahru, Johor, that is going to prepare for Majlis Agama Negeri Johor. This project contains company background, introduction to the project, key plan, location plan and site plan of the project, facility study, project design concept, project planning, costing and revenue, proposed construction method, materials, technology, service and facilities, proposed architectural design and detailed drawing, and also appendix. Hybatat 28 Construction Sdn Bhd is a local company and established on 12 February 2022. Hybatat 28 Construction Sdn Bhd is located at Kuantan, Pahang and limited and stand-alone, which is owned by Bumiputra and registered with Ministry of Finance Malaysia. This project is located in Taman Suria 80200 Johor Bahru, Johor Darul Takzim, and also took around 16 months to accomplish this project. This plot is well suited for the construction for an Islamic complex since it is between bustling metropolitan area and residential neighborhood. As we can see from the picture, from the top left is key plan, location plan, and the bottom is site plan. For the feasibility study, the Islamic complex is the focal point of any community where residents gather for their daily prayers and other activities that can be held. The objectives are to identify the concerns and problems experienced prior to the construction of the Islamic complex and also to collect data in order to suggest an Islamic complex. There are problems and solutions which are the challenge in obtaining suppliers who offer the material necessary near the locations, such as sewage pipes, sanitary fitting, railing, and so on, before constructing the Islamic complex. As we can see from the slide, this is the project design for floor plan. While on this slide, this is a suggested project design for the front plan. And also not to forget, this is the suggested project design for roof plan. As for the concept, there are two types that can be seen, which are Muslim majority countries and lands conquered by Muslim. For our concept, we are choose Muslim majority countries. As for the project planning, there are two phases, which is phase 1 and phase 2. As for the phase 1, the duration is 14 months, which is consists of construction of building structures, installation of exterior and interior wall, and installation of building finishes, while phase 2 are only duration of 2 months, which is only focused on mechanical and electrical works. From this slide that we can be seen, this is a project costing that were needed for the construction of Islamic complex. This is the required materials that need to be used in the construction of Islamic complex. This is the list of technology that is required for constructing Islam complex. Not to mention that there are also services that were needed for the construction of Islamic complex, which are project manager, site supervisor, general worker, skilled worker, carpenter, backhoe driver, crane driver, excavator driver, back pusher driver, and lorry driver. There were facilities that were needed for the construction of Islamic complex, which are Imam's office, reading room, 2 classroom, 2 toilets, 4 wudu area, utility room, dining hall, main praying hall, and hallway. From this slide, we can see that this is a proposed architectural design and detailed drawing for floor plan. While from this slide, we can see that this is a proposed architectural design and detailed drawing for front elevation. And while from this slide, this is a proposed architectural design and detailed drawing for roof plan. From this slide, we can see that this is appendix 1 of which is contained of course information. And from this slide, we can see that this is the appendix to course outline lecture plan.